This is a third method to find the deviation. This is called shortcut or deviation method. Okay, to find a mean. So to find the mean, clear? This is called shortcut or deviation method. For example, okay. So before to give the example, first let's see the formula. This mean equal to a plus if I di. Here is sigma. This is sum divided by if I, or sum of if I. This is called the formula. Clear? First, first know the formula. Mean equal to a plus sum of if I di divided by if I, sum of if I. So what is here a? So here a is called assumed mean. Clear? If the value is given, we have to take any central value or middle values. Those value is called assumed mean. Okay? And we know that fi, which is called frequency. Frequency is what? This is the number of students, number of children, anything. Okay. And di, this is called deviation. Clear? First, you have to know this formula. So, how to use this formula? Clear? After knowing these meanings, we'll do some sums or some example. Okay. Suppose this is the given question or example. Here height in centimeter and this is the number of children. Okay. Here total number of children here now. Suppose the 6 children has 110 centimeter height. 8 children has 115 centimeter height. 14 children has 118 centimeter height. 15 children has 120 centimeter height. Okay. 4 children has 121 centimeter height. And remaining 3 children has 125 centimeter height. So this is the table of number of children and their respective heights. How many children and their heights in centimeter. Clear? Now first you have to take from this height we have to take the average height. Let the middle height is this. Suppose here 118 is middle. Clear? Lowest is 110 and highest is 125. That's why middle maybe this is the assumed value. Therefore, let assumed mean where assumed mean is denoted by 100. Assumed mean is a. So let this is middle value is 118. So here you can take any value from these heights. Okay. Just this is the assumed value. Therefore, a is what? 118. Now we have to make the frequency table. Clear? So first see the variables xi, then we have to find the di and fi, then fi into di. We have to make the table first. Okay, we have to make this is called frequency table. Now xi means what? Xi means this is the variables. This is xi dot 1 is fy. Xi is the height in centimeter, fi is the number of children. Now first is x1 110. Okay, and deviation di. Di means what? So what is assumed value? Assumed value is 118. Clear? Where x1 is what? 110. Now di equal to, our formula is di equal to xi minus a. Okay, so this is the first line, the first data. So this di will be 1. d1 x equal to x1 minus a. So what is x1? x1 is 110 minus what is assumed value? A 118. So now difference of 110 and 118. This will be 110 minus 118. This will be minus 8. So here D will be minus 8. Okay. What is now F1 in the first frequency? This is the 6. Clear? Now F1 and D1 you have to multiply. Minus 8 into 6. This will be 8 6 is 48. This will be minus, because minus 8 into 6 will be minus 48. In this way we have to find all the remaining. Now here no 115, and you have to find as the second data is 115. Okay, this difference will be how much? Well, this difference will be minus 3, and this is number of frequency is 8. Okay, now minus 3 and 8. 3 8 is 24. Minus 24. Clear? Now in this way you have to find all the data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Getting this frequency table. Okay. So we have to add FIDI. So here you have to add all this. Minus 48, 24, minus 24, 0, 30, 12, 21. So this gives minus 9. Okay. This gives minus 9. And how many total students? Here, this is the frequency. This is 50. Clear? Now we have to use our formula, our shortcut formula. Okay, our shortcut formula of mean is mean equal to a plus, okay, assume value fi di divided by summation of fi. So now what was the assume value? Assume value we have chosen a equal to 118 plus what is sum of FIDI? Sum of means we have to add all this, minus 9. So FIDI means minus 9. Clear? And what is the sum of FI? FI means sum of all this frequency. This was 50. Okay. So here will be 118 plus minus 9 by 50. Now we have to add or this gives 118. So this is 118 plus into minus now 9 divided by 50. So this 9 divided 50 means 0.18. Okay, you have to subtract 0.18. So from subtraction of 0.18 it gives 117. 117.82. Okay. 117.82. This is centimeter. That means this is the mean of these 50 students. It means now average height of each student will be 117.82. Okay. This is called shortcut or deviation method.